Philippe Kamango, Pemba Masagila, Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya Politiza Keita Kulama Saint-Jean-Dodo, la San Diego. Péché Temba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma, Eric Wayeno, Dr. Nelson Kalaba, Jean-René Bolo, Mamalandou, Magloire Bongo, Philippe Kamango, Pemba Basagila, Zotoru Kanu, Mutuku inayaya. Jean-Paul Bouyamba, Bokal Boto Amungu, Sole Mondoni, Franck Mambili, Politisa, Keita Koulama, Serge Ndodo, la San Diego. Monsieur Temba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eli Kwayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kumpo. Philippe Kamango. Memba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Muito fui na Yaya.
kwenda mama, unateme kwa nini kwenda mama, jokele kwa ni muzuru mama, jokele kwa ni muzuru mama, unateme kwa nini kwenda mama, unateme kwa nini kwenda mama.
Bivuka bimwangane nambulanye mwangane ebisambu byazibakane enandwenga za jemye nakundibulira mwelwe nakungana mama kambo mamutaba mwangane ekambo tangu ya jemye ewele
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milord Garo Marca Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble we are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyose koma kanangonga nango.
Kiambote, Tata David.
Kiambote.
Oh, thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Okay, let us greet the audience. Hello, Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, Congo Brazzaville, Tuto Ndele. I hope Tata is coming and the brothers. Okay, otherwise you will be alone, Tata lives.
Okay. Well, we'll manage, but hopefully Tata Len will be along.
Fingers crossed. Yes. Okay. We are going back to I'm gonna share my files, yes.
Mhm.
Kwenda is to go, Tata David, yes? Kwenda
Yes.
to go.
And
Kwenda.
Kwiza to come.
Yeah, well done. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. So remember, object first, then you got your personal pronoun in the middle, then last thing is your verb.
Mhm. Kumbanza Congo Ikwenda.
Itakwenda, yeah.
Itakwenda. Yeah.
Well done. Yes. Well done. Kumbanza Congo Itakwenda. Oh, I'm coming from Mbanza. Remember, coming from is the verb tuka. Yes.
Mhm.
Tuka.
Okay.
Tuka. I'm coming from
Okay.
Mbanza Congo.
All right. Kumbanza Congo Itakwiza. Itatuka.
Yeah. No worries. Well done, yes. Okay, if you're watching, we thank you very much. Don't move. We are going to learn. Let me just check my pointer. Yes. We're just going back to soon I will be I'm going to remove this one. But anyway, I just want to make sure that we digest it well, yeah. We need to master it. Yes. Remember, our motto is little but mastered, yeah? The most important thing is to master what we are learning, the little one, little bit, we should master. We need to master it. Yes. Okay, Tata David. Kala, small question, yeah? Kala is to be,
Mhm.
to have. What is the verb to have in Kikongo? What is it? From Kala, yeah? From Kala, just add, you go to Kala space something.
Yes.
Kala space ye. Kala ye, yes.
Kala. Oh, to have something is kala
Kala
ye.
ye,
Kala
yes.
ye. Okay.
Yes. Thank you. So quickly, yes. Remember, as you know, this is Congo. Big, big, very big transformation. See, from that you have this. See, yes. Can you see the infinitive is the color, but basically your verb is when you're going to conjugate is ngina, nana, nana is your pattern, yes?
Okay. Yeah, refresh me again on how we use na as a suffix.
Yes, but
Like,
basically, can you see here
yeah, I see.
ngina, I am, wuna, I am.
And the
Basically,
same for he or she, wuna.
yes. It could change Kena, but to keep in mind wuna. Wuna should be okay. Yes. Wuna, tuna, luna, bena. Can you see the pattern? You have nana, nana, yes? On plural is easier because you have your, remember, tuna, luna, tuluba, yes, constant, yes?
Yes.
Tuluba, obey, okay. But in this special case, remember, first person ngina, second una, third una as well. Is it clear that David? Any questions on that?
No, that is clear.
You got the file, yes? Yeah. Then this one is okay. Attributes, yes. Wambotengina, I'm fine, yeah. Wambotengina. Wa, singular, plural, ba, yes. Then on the other side, you Wambote kwa mengina. What is this that Kwame?
That's just a magnifier, like very.
Yeah,
good.
emphatic, yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, we need to stop here. I mean, we need to focus on this one because this is new. Present perfect tense. Remember, our verb is kwenda, the usual one, yeah? Kwiza. Present perfect indicative. I think yes. I've gone, yes. Ngele, wele, twele. Remember, ele, yes? It's your pattern.
So I don't remember in English what the present perfect indicative really says. So
is there. I've gone.
Oh, I have gone. Okay.
Yeah, gone, yeah. Action, that's this one, yes? I've gone, yes.
Oh, I see, yes.
Yeah, I've come, yes. I've come. Quiza, yes. Here, verb quiza, pattern is there. Zidi. Can you see Tatale? Yes? Zidi. Tatale is around. I can see Tatale.
Okay, good.
Hey, Tatale.
Hey.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you for coming. I know it's hard. It is Sunday. Anyway, we need to honor our ancestors, yes?
Absolutely, yeah.
We don't have choice. They are gone, we are here. We have to do something, yeah? Someone must stand for them, yes. Yes, certainly. We're going back to, let me just write my first slide, yeah? I'm sure you're fine with this one. Kala is to be. To have Tatale is. To have is. Kala space something. Kala space something. I'm sure you know that. Kala, sorry?
No, is it
You know that you're going to kick yourself. You're going to say that.
Kala, is it
Kala
Kala, right?
ye. Sorry.
Kala, yeah.
Yeah, Kala ye. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Zidi. Okay. This is. I've come. Yeah. I've come. I've gone. Kwenda. Present perfect indicative. Zidi. This is the pattern. Yeah, remember, Tatan is for you because Tatan was there last time.
Mhm.
Third person object, you just dropped your dev, you write, put W, yes, Tatan, W, yes, yearly, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, no W, you don't do W, put Y, yes. Tatan, remember?
No, you put a Y. It's
Yes,
you replace it with a Y.
yearly. Yeah, yearly. It's gone. I mean, the train's gone. Yeah, Tata David?
Mhm.
Let me just add brother. Hello.
Hello, Kiambote.
Gambote. How is Los Angeles?
Oh, everything is well. All is well.
Good.
Yeah,
Thank
Campbell
you
to
for coming.
Audrey.
Give it to my brothers. How y'all doing?
Okay.
Yes, we were here. We need to honor our ancestors, yeah, remember?
Good.
Yes.
We're
Yes.
standing here for them, yeah?
Yes.
When they landed on the U.S. soil, they spoke this language you are learning now. See,
Right.
it is a privilege, no?
Oh, definitely.
And
Yes.
they spoke the pure one. Remember, they spoke the pure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, we've lost everything. Never mind. What can we do? Can't go back. Yes. That we're going back to verb to be is kala, to have is kala ye. Yes, that's how yeah.
Yes.
Basically, the thing to remember here is the pattern is, I mean, it is a big transformation. From your infinitive, you have your suffix is na, ngina, una. It could be kena, it depends on the sentence. Tuna, luna, bena. Okay, verb. Tata Audi, question to you. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. Remember, what's called it? The rule is first thing your object. In the middle, you have your pronoun, personal pronoun. The extreme right, you have your verb. So Mbanza Congo, your object. Your verb is kwenda. I'm going. That's how
Okay.
You remember
Um,
kuna, let me help. Kuna is your preposition, locative, yeah? Yeah? Something.
Cool.
Yeah? Mbanza Congo, yes?
So the question is, well, I'm going to
Mbanza Congo. Your object first, Mbanza Congo, yes?
Okay. Kubanza
Congo, yes?
Kubanza Conga Congo.
Yes, Itakwenda.
Itakwenda. Kubanza Conga Itakwenda.
Yeah. Remember, Ita is your ing in English, yes. Let me just. Yes. Here we have the same verb, but take note. I'm sure you have this fine.
Yes.
The same verb kwenda, but remember the tense here is present perfect indicative, yes? Not I'm going, but I've gone, yes? I've gone. So ngele, wele, twele, lwele, bele. Yes?
Right. Yes.
Yes. Okay, question. Tata David. I'm gone indeed. Everything's there on your board. Yeah, just check your screen.
Yeah.
I'm gone. Gone indeed.
Giele Kwame.
Bravo. Yeah. Yeah, Ngele Kwame. Yes. The general. I mean, it is emphatic, but sometimes is I'm fed up. Yes, quote unquote.
Oh, sure.
I'm gone. Yes, Ngele Kwame. So you're not happy, yeah? Quote
Right.
unquote.
If somebody's acting out, I can say, Ngile Kwame,
Ngele Kwame.
I'm done with you.
Okay. I do not forget
Out of
Ngele
my
Kwame.
face.
Yeah. Yeah. GZD is your outcome, yes? Okay, please remember this. We must remember, this is a personal pronoun. Let's call it the standard, yes? Is I, you, A, bracket K, Tuluba. Are we comfortable? Yes, on that? David?
Tuluba.
Personal
Yeah.
pronoun is I'm saying in Kikongo, I, U, A. Brackets K, yes. Because it's easy to understand. Let me try to clarify. See here, we have ita, yes, coming from E, yeah. The pronoun is E. Ta is just
Ita.
your. Remember, your pronoun is E, yeah. Ta
Yeah.
is your ing, yes, Tata David, yes.
Mhm.
That's what I keep saying. Remember, this is the standard one, yes. Uta, kata. That's why we say A or the bracket K. Tuta. Present tense is just basically the same thing. EUAT Tuluba. Question, Tatane.
No question.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, present tense, Tata David. Remember present tense?
Mhm.
Remember present continuous, you touch on your pronoun, personal pronoun, you add TA, ita, uta, so on. Present tense, you touch on your verb. Are we clear on that? Tata David.
Right. The ta only exists to give us that ing.
Ing, yes, yeah, ing, yeah. You're going, yes. But present tense, you touch on your verb, you add nga.
NGA, like as in
You have your verb, you have your verb as it is, you just add nga. Let's say Zinga means to live. I
all
live
right.
in
Yeah.
Banza, Congo. Of course, always, whenever we see destination, we have to start with KU, yes?
Okay,
Ku.
so I can't say for example, Inga. It has to be Zinga.
Zinga is a verb, but you have to add nga at the end. Kumbanza Congo is Zinganga.
Okay.
Just move that to the yes.
Mhm.
Dia means to eat. I eat. Okay, let's say I eat every morning. I eat konsuka in Kikongo. Every morning I eat potato. That can you help please? Yeah.
Yeah.
Konsuka.
Okay.
Konsuka. You start with konsuka, yes. Konsuka every morning, yes. Please.
Okay. So, yeah. You said, okay. So, you said every morning I eat potato.
Yes. He could
Okay,
say in English accent, potato, yes.
Okay, how do you say morning again?
Every Consensuka, Consensuka, Consensuka,
Consosuka. Okay.
Consensuka.
Okay.
Consensuka.
Consosuka Dianganga.
Remember the rules still applies. You still apply
Oh,
your rule.
the verb is at the end.
Object first, pronoun, then your verb. Your object is potato. Como say potato, mavuta. Say mavuta, yes.
Mavuta. Okay.
Mavuta.
Okay. Consosuka Mavuta Dianga.
Sorry?
I said Consosuka
Mhm.
Mavula Dianga.
You have dropped something very important. Something is missing.
Oh, Idianga.
Of course, of course.
Idianga.
Because I know it's not your fault. You're focusing on your verb. No, never mind. No
Yeah,
problem.
Idianga. Yeah.
Yeah. Tata Audrey. You okay, yeah? Audrey, yeah? No? You're on mute.
Oh yeah, just missing 2 weeks. I'm a little rusty, but so I'm trying to get back in the swing of it.
No, don't worry. Let me just move to where were we? Let me just move to the next slide. It's here.
Okay.
Let me just leave there for the time being. So you have your file, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, Tata. Remember, all these are verbs.
Mm-hmm.
These are verbs, yes? To drink, to speak, to wait, but present tense, you just add nga, any of them, every
Okay.
single, yeah. So
Okay.
Tata, Audrey, over to you.
Okay.
Constant sugar. Let me just write down constant sugar. I keep saying constant sugar. Constant sugar every morning. Constant sugar. Constant sugar. Constant sugar. Constant sugar.
So is that SYUKA or SIUKA? I wrote it as Suka.
Well
S-U-K-A.
done. Yeah, that's it. Well done.
Mhm.
Yeah. Every morning. I mean, other variant, you would say in different way, but it's something. Console sugar. Console.
Console suka.
Sugar, yes. Console sugar. It depends where you're using the console. Because if I could say consume to every person, yeah.
Okay, so if it was, for example, I eat black eyed peas, would I say
Yes.
Inga Mwenge Konsosuka?
Yeah, you have all your stuff, but basically you just scattered it around. Your object is first thing, your pronoun in the middle, then you have your verb. So come back to the well done. Go. Can you try it again? You have your constant sugar every morning. Then your object. What is your object?
The object is black eyed peas.
Yes, mwenge. Yeah, mwenge.
Mwenge.
Yes. So go ahead. Yeah, constant sugar. Start with constant sugar. Yes.
Console suka.
Constant sugar. Yes.
Console suka. Mwenge.
Yes. Your pronoun. Yes.
Is that Diyange?
Idyanga. Well done.
Dianga.
Yes. Yes. Well done. Yes. We're getting somewhere. Yeah. Getting there. Dr. David.
Mhm.
Malavu, let's say, Malavu, Tamba. Tamba is palm oil. It's not palm oil. Palm wine, yes. Palm wine. Tamba.
Tamba.
Yeah, Tamba is there. Can you see it? Tell that, David.
Yeah. Okay.
Every
So you want
morning.
me to say every morning I take palm wine?
Yeah, Tamba, yeah? You remember?
Okay, all right. So
Constance,
Consulens Yuka Tamba Jianga.
your verb, your pronoun, you have your object, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead,
So,
go ahead. Remember, we're talking about drink.
all right,
The
that's wa.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
that
say
would
it again,
become Nwanga.
Yeah.
So
Where that
Consulens Yuka Tamba Nwanga.
Inwanga. Where the
Inwanga.
yes. Yeah. Yes, that's the audio questions.
No, I'm just following along.
Over to you now. Over to you. Tata.
Okay.
You're not. You're not out of the hook yet. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, no problem.
Look at the last verb here. To speak. Okay.
Okay.
I speak Kikongo. This is easy. Remember, object first, your pronoun, then the verb. We're just adding nga at the end. Yeah.
Okay.
Object, yes.
Object is
Kikongo. Yes.
Kikongo.
Yes.
Kikongo. Vulva.
Your
Volvanga.
pronoun. Your pronoun first.
Kikongo Inga.
Yeah, your verb. What your verb is
Oh.
vova.
Man.
No, you don't want to. You're getting there. Yeah? Your verb is vova. Just add ng at the end.
Okay.
It becomes vovanga. Yes.
Okay. Kikongo. Volvangi.
Ivovanga.
Evo.
Yeah.
Evovanga.
No, go ahead. Yeah, what's that? Ivovanga. Yes. Your verb. Yes. Questions. You are brave people, no? I wouldn't do that to be live like these people are watching you. No, I wouldn't do that. Scary, no?
Oh man, just seeing me struggle.
To teach is easy, right? Yes. Okay, let us move then. Any question on this one?
No.
Just remember on continuous, you just touch on your pronoun, personal pronoun, just TA, yeah? Your ing is TA, yes? And NG, how do you call it? ING, yes? Yes. Is your TA. Here, present tense, you touch on your verb. Just add NGA. Okay, yeah, here we are. That same thing. Present continuous. Are we found on this one? Because next time I want to remove my screen, no? Next Sunday, from next Sunday, no more screen.
Oh man.
Can you agree? Totally.
Yeah, why not? I have my notes in front.
No more display. No more display.
Oh
Yeah?
man.
Otherwise we become lazy. It's not good.
Yes, I don't know if I'm ready for that yet, but okay, I'll follow whatever the class.
Yeah, we need to challenge ourselves. Yeah. Yeah. Let the alcohol. Let the hit the road, the ground. How do you call it? How do you say that? Even good. Then the rubber, yeah? Is it? Yeah. The wheel. Hit the ground. Okay. Don't worry about this. This one is very hard.
See, that is.
The thing to remember here is your first singular is always nasal. Yes. The verb here is
Indy.
yeah,
Indeedy.
indeed. Yes. The verb is dia.
Mhm.
I've eaten. Yeah, I've eaten. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes. I've eaten. Yes, I've eaten. Verb dia. Indeed.
Indeedy.
Second, third. Plural is easy. Remember to lubaye to di do di badidi. Remember Kikongo's tonal language. Can you hear? Tatani, can you say that? Badidi, Tatani.
Yeah.
Can you say that? Badidi.
Badidi.
Yes. If you say badidi, it means you're adamant.
Hmm.
Badidi.
Badidi. Yes. Tata Amen. I've seen. I have seen.
I have seen.
Yes. Is that the verb? Yeah?
Is it boy? Is it boy?
Buene.
Buene.
Buene. Yes. Yes. Tata David, I have laughed.
Let's see. That would be Tevele.
Yeah, well done. Tevele, yeah. Tevele, yes. To bring, to Allah is the verb, to bring. Tata Audrey.
Mhm. To bring, that would be in Twese.
You don't read the N. You
Oh,
N is there for your
Twe
nasal. Twese. Yeah, Twese,
Twese.
yes. Twese,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah. Tata David is sompa, to borrow. Sompa means to borrow and tata.
Mhm. Yeah.
To borrow.
And to marry.
To marry.
Yeah. The same we use the same verb, yes?
Tuese.
No. Sompa.
No, sompa.
No banana. Sompa is to marry or to
To borrow.
To borrow.
borrow, yes.
Wait.
Because
Okay,
Bakongo,
so Sompa is to marry or to borrow?
we use the same verb, yes. Because Bakongo people, when you marry someone, you're borrowing from another country, yeah?
Oh, about to say you gonna return that wife or
It's
Keep
not,
the receipt.
not
Keep
your
the
blood.
receipt.
Someone else Kanda, yes. Because Kanda, we did that, totally. Remember Kanda?
Yeah. I remember. Yeah.
Yeah, Kanda. To the Congo people, Kanda is something very, very special. Yes, Kanda, you can't touch on Kanda. Sacred, yes. So, someone else Kanda, yes. Okay, Tata, over to you, Tata Alain. First person, yes. I've borrowed, yes.
And so Pele.
Yes. So, Pele, remember this accent there for you, how to say it? This one, yeah, is your long vowel. Can you say it again, Tata, please? So, Pele.
So Pele.
Yeah. Basically, your nasal is your. I mean, we have, of course, variants, but we have something in common: long vowel and nasal. Yes, get this. Very important. Wherever you go, Congo people, depending whatever variant it, we have two things like this. Nasal is common to every variant. Any variant you find nasal, there is nasal Kikongo. Nasal is Kikongo. And the other thing is your long vowel, yes. Tutondele. Any question? Okay, I think we're done for we should leave it there because you have your text. Yes. Let me
Mhm.
just try to remove my file. Yeah, we have 10 minutes. I'm just going to test you. Yes. Kwenda is to go. Kwenda is to go. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. Teta Audrey. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. Remember, present continuous, always think TA, yeah? Ta, ta. Audrey, yes.
Okay.
Ku,
Oh
yeah?
man.
Destination, KU, yes?
Wait. So to go again is
Kumbanza, Congo, yes?
okay. So is it Kubanza Congo?
Yeah, carry on, yes? Your pronoun, Ita.
Kubanza. Kubanza Conga.
Hmm?
Ita
Yes.
Quinda.
Well, bravo, yes. Ita Kwenda, yes. Okay. I'm coming from Mbanza, Congo. Remember the verb coming from is Tuka, Tuka, yeah? That's all. Over to you. I'm
Oh
coming
man.
from Mbanza, Congo.
Okay.
See you again. Sorry.
Okay. I'm sorry. Ask that.
Always remember your locative preposition, yeah? Location, KU. Whenever you see a location, you think about KU. Kubanza, Congo.
Kubanza Congo.
Ita,
Ita.
Tuka.
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 Kubanza Congo. Ita Tuka.
Yes. Well done. I've gone. That Alain, I've gone. It is the verb kwenda, yeah? Now you.
Oh, I've gone.
Remember, it is a present perfect. Whenever talking about present perfect, put aside the standard pronoun, I mean, at least for singular. I've gone. Ngiele, yes?
Man. Ngele.
Yeah, not easy. No, don't blame yourself. It's not easy. Ngiele. Yeah. Okay. He has gone. That's only.
He's gone. He will be is it Wele, yeah, with the Y.
Yeah. It is gone. It is gone.
Oh no, okay. Wele is okay.
No,
Wele,
you're fine. No,
yeah,
I'm asking you. It's a new question. You done well, no?
it is gone is
Keep well in mind. You're dropping something.
Yeah, Yele. It's Yele.
Yeah.
Is gone.
Well done. Yes. Tata David, I've come. Remember, zidi, your suffix here.
Right.
Ngi, your first person, ngi zidi, yes?
Yeah. Just a second here.
Yeah, ngi zidi. Just say ngi zidi. Tata David, yes. Ngi zidi, yes.
Ingizidi.
Ngizidi. Remember something common. First person, present perfect indicative. Kwenda, Kwiza. They have something in common. That have you spotted that? First person, Kwenda, Kwiza.
The nasal.
Yes, ngi. Ngizidi, ngele. Yes, ngizidi, ngele. On Kwenda we have a pattern ele. On quiz, I have pattern zidi. Yes. Consensuka. Remember Consensuka every morning, yeah?
Morning.
Every morning. Consensuka. Consensuka. Okay, won't make it easier. Okay, Mbwenge is your black eyes Pete at the audience. Okay, Consensuka. Every morning I eat Mbwenge. Remember the rule? Your object first. Just remember, object first. The last thing is your verb. Of course, something you have to keep in mind. Your pronoun, yes, of course. Yeah, you can't drop your pronoun. Correct? Yeah. Am I right? Yes.
Mhm.
You go to
So the
object.
question is every morning.
Yeah, constant sugar. Let me just try
con-
to explain. I'm just trying to explain this. People are following us.
You
On your
constant-
left, far left, you have your object. Far right, you have your verb. But of course, we need a pronoun. It is in the middle. Yeah, constant sugar. Yes, object.
Conso suka mwege diangi.
Younger, but you have
Younger.
something very important. Constant sugar. Say it again. Sorry.
Conso suka mwenge diangi.
Dianga. Idianga, yes.
Idianga, yeah.
Yeah, Idianga. Well done. Yeah. Well, correct. Yeah, well done. You should never drop your pronoun, of course. To turn any question?
No.
Yeah, just remember, next Sunday, no more display.
Oh, come on.
No. We've done enough, you know. We've been there forever and ever, yeah. You're fine. Don't worry. You're okay. Tutundele. Thank you again. Tutundele. There's someone saying hello. Who's that? Where is he? He's gone. Yes. Oh, hello, Tata Cody. Tutundele. Luenda Kiambote.
Eh, Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sound like Kimbo.
Next Sunday, remember, no more. No more display. Now you will be fine. You're fine. You done it. Just we need to make sure we're not lazy. Yeah.
You have to fast on that one.
Okay. See you Sunday. Have a good week.
Okay.
Right, you too.
You too.
Imba, kaimbe shetemba, ira. Papi Salomon, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Jean Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Congo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Serge Mutufuina yaya Jean-Paul Gouyamba Bokal Boto Amungu Sole Mondoni Franck Mami Politisa Keita Koulama Serge Ngodo na San Diego
Moyo ni tele mwana numba, mwana numba.